You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. Seriously, the last mystery tackle box couple openings that I did, man, they were very receptive. And then I had somebody ask me to do Pro Series mystery tackle box number 2. So I went to the store, and luckily they had one left. And boom, we got it right here. Let me see if I can get my face out. Did it do it? Got it right here, mystery tackle box number 2. So I'll be busting this open, man. Hold up, camera. I'll be busting this open tonight, and yeah, let's see what base we get, man. I appreciate everybody for real, man. On a real note. Hold up, phone ringing. Hello?
Yo.
Hey, let me call you back in about 10 minutes. I'm recording this video real quick. Alright. That was my boy, man. Let me get this done. So, like I said, I got mystery tackle box number 2. Once again, the Pro box come with 7 to 8 baits, $40 worth of value. Y'all seen what was in the first Pro Series box. Here's the second one. And then you just know which one you need to pick up to get what you need for the body of water that you fish mainly in your area, wherever you are. It's different for everybody. For me, I know what things I'm looking for, you know, jigs. So let's get this thing cracked open. And I also do fish these as well, so I do the review with you guys, and then I take them out there and I fish the box and see what I can get. I can't even get it out the box. I'm struggling again. Alright. Ooh. I'm calling it, y'all. We got a rattle trap, crankbait. We're gonna go rattle trap crankbait. I bet I'm right. Now watch. What y'all think? Let's see. Alright, now I'm not gonna be. Y'all seen what I got in my mother load box. Y'all seen what I got in my Pro Series box number 1. Now when y'all see this box here, just compare all 3 and see what baits are similar, because I'm gonna just get straight to it. So we got Eagle Claw 4-aught wide gap hooks, wide gap hooks. Cover my face up so you can see that beautifulness. So we get these a lot. Camera, there we go. So we get these a lot. I got the tail out tonight, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you go tail tuck, tail in. I don't know, it's funny. But we get these a lot. I don't think you can have enough of these, honestly. So I don't think this is a bad. If you get this in any mystery tackle box, this is not something that isn't worth having. You know what I'm saying? It's good to have these. I'll always have these on you. We got another jig, lumberjack flipping jig. Beautiful color on this jig right here. 3/8 ounce PB&J. Definitely digging the colors. Let's see if I can get a better look on that. Let's see if I can get some light in here. There we go. So you can see those actual colors in that jig. So yeah, this is definitely a bring my face back close. All right, this is definitely a dope jig. I know you catching pigs on this. 3/8 ounce hard hat jigs. I'm not gonna say what happened with the last hard hat jig that I had a couple tackle boxes ago. I got a video on that coming out. This might be before or after this video, but juice right here. So we good. We got 2 good ones. Another amazing bait. Another Carl's bait. 3/8 ounce chartreuse rice spinner bait. We got, I think that's silver and gold blades on it. This is dope right here. This is something you should have in your tackle box. I don't care who you are. Like chartreuse white. Some people are very particular on their actual, like, I don't know the exact name, but these right here, some people like all gold, some people like all silver. You know, everybody has their own personal preference, which I agree with. You know, that's just who you are. If you caught fish on it, then that's what you want to use, hands down. So, but hey, this is another good bait. So this is 3 up. This is 3 baits that I know for sure will catch fish. We're doing pretty good. I'm liking box number 2, man. Box number 2 might be the juice. Then we got some big bank Cincos. What are these? What color are these? Green pumpkin, purple flake. Not bad, yo. You can Texas rig these right here with your eagle claws. and you'd be good to go, man. Good to go. Or you can wacky rig these if you got some wacky rig hooks. I'm not a big fan of the purple flake, but that green pumpkin is gonna do its job. You know what I mean? They say that bats can differentiate color. I say this all the time. Differentiate colors when it comes to green pumpkin, and then like if you throw the black flake in there, they can actually see the difference. So I don't know if it's the same with purple flake. Let me know in the comments if somebody's like knows the answer to that question. But definitely, it's another good bait right here. This is Cincos. You got the 5-inch Cincos. These are 5-inch, so fall time, you know, you want smaller baits. I usually throw the 6-inch Cincos myself. They sink a little faster. I feel like they just get more reactions out of fish, but 5-inch is definitely a good way to go. Then we got the 1,000 Fish Saw Craw Max Action Painted Claw Design Infused. Another dope bait, actually. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like these as well. The color on these is, it looks like blue, yep, black and blue. Can't go wrong with black and blue. Me personally, I know everybody's gonna hate me for this. I don't have luck out here with black and blue. I have luck out here with all black worms, anything all black, black and orange. I mean orange and brown. Let me start over. I have luck with anything all black, orange and brown, white and chartreuse, and then green pumpkin, black flake. That's just what I've had luck with. There's plenty of people that I know that catch them with black and blue. I'm still trying to get a bite on black and blue to increase my confidence in this bait, but these are definitely some dope trailers. Throw these on the back of a jig, Texas rig them. You can do whatever you want. Infused scent and salt. So since they're infused with scent and salt, I won't take them out of the package just yet. You have to catch that when I actually come back in the camera. You'll catch that when I actually go fish them. We still got some baits in here, y'all. We doing all right, man. I'm liking this box all the way around. Like, it's doing good. Let me toast up. I've never seen these. Game Changer Lures. The Eliminator. These are dope, man. Green pumpkin, 4.5 inch. Looks like they got a curly tail on them, so they probably go out and then, you know, the tail will curl. Man, maybe throw these on the back. I don't know how thick they are at the top of the mouth, but maybe throw these on the Texas rig, or maybe a shaky head. Maybe that tail, when it, you know, shaky head sits on the bottom of the water and your bait will like sit up and then the tail will do its thing. Maybe the action on these on a shaky head is the way to go. These are dope as well. Like, I know I can catch some on these. So right now, the body of water that I go to fish tournaments at, right? I wish it was tournament season right now, because I'll just keep this whole box and fish a tournament with straight this box. Because this box got some good juice in it. And I'm on 2 baits left. Let's get to it. Oh, we got a plopper, a blooper. They call it a blooper. They call it a plopper. Doesn't matter, right? Just shoots water up. I'm a fan of black colors. Dark colors, like I just said earlier. Black is the color I use. Like if I'm throwing a paddle-tail frog, like I told you, my favorite frog to throw, throwing black with the red. I'm throwing, yeah, black with red flake. I got this same exact plopper in my tackle box right now, so it's dope to have 2 of them. This is a bait I know will catch fish. Overall, this box is going great. Last but not least, we got a clutch with a bluegill pattern on it, I believe. Get the exact color on here. Dang, Guggen Squad? They ain't put no color on this one? That's weird, man. Usually all... Maybe it's just called clutch. I don't know. But these are dope as well. I don't know if you watch my channel that good, but if you go way back, you know, matter of fact, I'll put it up here in the corner. Should be up here in the corner. Not now, maybe towards the end of the video. I actually caught a snakehead on one of these. I was throwing it at a 4-mile run, and literally, not gonna lie, you know, I'm not a fan of saying this, but I snagged a snakehead on one of these, and I don't know if he turned on it and missed and it got hooked, or I just bumped into him, because it doesn't dive that deep. sinking, so it dies, yeah. But I did catch a juicy snakehead on this. Probably was like, I'm not gonna say. You go back and watch the video. It'll be in one of these corners somewhere on this screen. Definitely go check that out. Last but not least, that's it for the box actually. You know, same old same. Catch a fish, measure it out. I will be taking this out there, doing a video on this box as well. But I do want to say I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. I'm moving faster than I thought I'd be moving up. I appreciate everybody's feedback. I always comment. I always try to comment back. I haven't missed a comment yet. If you are watching this video, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button, man. Help me out. If you do enjoy it that much, hit the share button. Share it to your Facebook, any pages that you got. That means a lot to me. And you can follow me on my Instagram, which should be right here. I have a Facebook page as well where I sell merch. Only merch I have out right now is wristbands, but that's really all I could afford. Some of you guys don't understand how expensive merchandise is to put out. So that link should be right here, or that tag should be right here. I sell all my stuff through Facebook. Also be looking forward to a giveaway on New Year's Day. I'm gonna be working through a third party. Set up a good giveaway. This time I did my first one and it didn't turn out too. It turned out good. I still got the product to a winner, but just notifying everybody as a whole, just didn't turn out that good. But yeah, it's your boy Bass Ain't Easy, man. I appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really do. Take a shot to that. If you have product that you make yourself and you want to send it to me for me to review it, fish it, hit me up, man. Email address is right here. All you gotta do is send me an email at this address. I'll be happy to do it for you, man. We can work out a deal, whatever, I don't know. Just email me, we'll figure it out. I always give unbiased opinions, you know what I'm saying? So if you do send me something or anything like that, let's just be honest, you know. I'm gonna fish it. If I don't catch nothing on it, doesn't mean it's a bad product. Maybe that body of water just wasn't meant for that product, you know what I'm saying? So keep all that in mind. And yeah, man, it's your boy Bass Ain't Easy, man. I will catch y'all on the water.